Hi all, Sunish here. Welcome to Master Java Interview Next program. In this program or in this session, I'm not going to teach you many things, but I'm going to tell you a few interview knacks that anybody should know before you go for an interview. Okay, at least this much. If you want to know more in detail and if you really want to learn, please come and join the program and come and attend the demo session, and we'll be answering all the questions to for you, so that you understand what we are trying to do. Now, if you see my screen, let me these are few questions which I got when I went for the interview. Okay, now if you see the screen, I have a class here which is sorry, okay, now this is a record, so let me just change this. Fine, I'm just going to create a product class. Fine, and let us have three fields: product code, name, and price. Okay, so let's have private string product code, private string product name, and private double product price. Okay, and let me also, now I have already told you why we are making it private, then why we need constructor, why we need getters and setters. This was already explained for the previous session, because we need to implement an encapsulation, and such a class which has got only private members, constructor and getters, it is called as POJO in Java, plain old Java object. Okay, so let me just generate the constructor. So I'm generating with the entire thing. Now, why the super keyword came? That can be a question. Okay, why what the super is doing? Now, also they can ask you a question what is the difference between this product code and this product code? That can be a question. Now, if you say this product code is a variable, this product code is also a variable, which means you're not differentiating it. Okay, now this product code is a member variable because it is a member of the class, and this is a local variable. Now, so basically you need to understand, I have a strong understanding about variables itself. Okay, now the member variables have to be private. Now there can be a question if you're doing this, why this operator is used here, this pointer is used here. Why not? Why, what will happen if it is not given? What is the point in giving this? Okay, now let me also generate the getters and setters. So generate getters and setters, select all, generate. Okay, I'm done with my class, and let me have this here. So here, instead of this product dot, I'm calling the function get product code. Okay, I'm calling the function get product name, and I'm calling the function dot get product price. Okay, now let's execute this program. So basically I have created the object here using new operator, and when the object has been created, the constructor is implicitly called and these values are passed. Okay, and once I get the values, I'm just using the getter function to get those values and printing it. Now let's see whether it is working or not. Okay, console. Okay, now it is working fine. Okay, now guys, the moment this has been done, most of you will do all this. Okay, but let's ask some few simple questions, to ourselves, whether we know it. Now imagine you say, for example, your interviewer have told you, can you please write on a piece of paper how to create an object, or there is a product class. Imagine there is a product class, or there is a student class, or there is an employee class, anything. And they ask you, please write, how will you create the object. Okay, now there are people who write like this. Okay, product A equal to new product, like this they write. Okay, like this they write, and they pass the values here. They pass the values, I mean, constructor can be there or not. Okay, for in my case, now constructor, they can pass like this. Okay, but please don't, at least please don't write it like this. Okay, because when you give naming conventions, use proper naming conventions. Now even if you write like this, okay, they'll ask you what is A, or here in my case they'll ask you what is this product with small letter P. Okay, it can be a question. What is the answer, guys? Can you tell me? Most of you must have told object. It's wrong. Okay, it is not object, because object has been created here, the right hand side, using the new operator. and here the object is created, and where the object is created, heap memory it has been created. Then what is this doing? This is again a variable. Now you are telling array. Just now he told member variable, local variable. Here he told these are member variables. Now he told these are local variables. Yes, this is also a variable, and it is pointing to an address, memory address, where this object is residing in heap memory. So therefore these kind of variables are called as reference variables. Okay, so at least when somebody asks you, like, what is this, please don't tell it as object, tell it as a reference variable. It is pointing to an object in the heap memory. So I hope you got one hack. Thank you so much.